2.2 is rates. And we've got a couple of definitions to start off with. The first one is the word rate itself. And a rate compares two quantities measured in different units. So ratios were two quantities with the same units. Rates have different units. For example, if you're shopping and you find an item that is $1.69 per 100 grams of that item, like if you go to the deli to order meat, bologna might be $1.69 per 100 grams. And you will frequently see it written this way, where the price, and then you've got a little slash, that means per 100 grams of food. Alright, so that's one definition. The next definition is called a unit rate. And a unit rate is in which the second term is 1. So instead of being per 100 grams, it's per gram. So there's another example here. 30 kilometers per hour means that you've traveled 30 kilometers in 1 hour. And the 1 is what makes this a unit rate. It's a single unit of that term, of that units. So let's have a look here at working example number 1. Jesse and Brent sent text messages to each other. Jesse can text 187 words in 5 minutes. Brent can text 444 words in 10 minutes. Estimate and calculate Jesse's and Brent's texting speeds. So their texting speeds, the speed of texting is calculated using the number of words divided by the total amount of time. So we can estimate using rounded numbers. So we could say, well, 187, that's pretty close to 200. And 444 is kind of close to 40 or 400. So we can do that. We can do estimating. So for Jesse, 200 words in 5 minutes, well, that would be pretty close to 40 words per minute. For Brent, 400 words in 10 minutes, 400 divided by 10, that is also close to 40 words per minute. So let's do the actual calculations to confirm this. And if you do it on your calculator, so 187 divided by 5, and you get 37.4. So that means the calculated speed for Jesse is 37.4 words per minute. Yes, this is originally using 5 minutes, but if you divide it by 5, then that gets it down to 1. That's like saying, well, you could divide this by 5, then divide this by 5, and then that would give you 37.4 per 1. So that's words per 1 minute. So what we did, taking the 187 divided by 5, we just sort of shortcutted it. If you actually divide top and bottom by 5, then this is the ratio that you set up, which turns into a unit rate. Over here, 444 words divided by 10 is going to give you 44.4. So 44.4 words per minute. Yeah, that's close to our estimate of 40. This was also close to our estimate of 40, but Brent is a fair bit faster. So Jesse can text 37.4 words per minute. Brent can text 44.4 words per minute. The estimates and answers are close to each other, so our answers are reasonable. Yeah, I would agree with that. But there's a difference of 7 words per minute between the two. Brent is a fair bit faster. Okay, so based on that information, we've got a show you know for you to do. Please go ahead and get started.